Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the aircraft tail number and AMM revision. This ensures you use the correct instructions. Open the applicable chapter and task number. Note the revision date and any service bulletins referenced. Check the job card for required tools, torque values, consumables, and PPE. Once done, lay out parts and gauges in sequence so each operation follows the AMM steps. Make sure to record the pre-action inspection and sign the log sheet before you begin work. You perform the task strictly in AMM order. Remove panels, disconnect harnesses, and label connectors as specified. Use callouts and illustrations to confirm part orientation and fastener types. Cross-check torque and clearance values with the published figures. Measure and record all critical dimensions and serial numbers directly onto the maintenance log. If values differ, stop and follow the discrepancy flow. Once components are installed, cycle systems as directed. Watching for abnormal noises or indicate you complete the final operational checks, verify system parameters against AMM acceptance criteria, and reinstall access panels and placards. Then, document the work, include task references, parts used, measurements, and your signature with AMM revision noted. If you encounter an anomaly, follow the AMM troubleshooting tree immediately. Isolate the failure, repeat relevant checks, and record findings. Make sure to notify the certifying engineer if limits are exceeded. This preserves traceability and keeps the aircraft airworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.